Hello guys, from last three video we have learned how you can create get request, post request and put request for getting or fetching a record from the database in JSON format, for inserting a record from the JSON format to the table, and for updating a record. In the last video of RESTful APIs services series, we are going to delete record from the table using delete RESTful API services. So again, what I do, I just create database connection to get MySQL connection, and I close this one on the closing of this. Now I need result and error, and I say db.exec, and here I fetch a query delete from student where SID equal to question mark, and I need to pass here SID. So from there I need SID, no value. I don't want to get any value. I want to fetch only the ID. So for that I create variables equal to mux dot var, like this. I say R, save it. From this I have to convert the SID into integer, so I say str conversion where that would be SID. Okay, so here I pass the SID. So delete from student where SID equal to this, and we pass the SID, and we check if there is no error. We checking the error condition. If there is a nil, then I say fmt.fprintf w, and here I say your error, like this. I remove this one and I say else here, and I check result. So for result I say error equal to result dot last row affected. So if there is a error, then I have to show some information in JSON format. I say new encoder and w, and I pass the encoder, and here I say in object there would be the error, and I say record is not deleted. Okay, else I say the reverse of this, the record deleted, and I say record is deleted, like this, but not error. Here I say result. Result would be record is deleted, and here I can say same thing, that result would be record is not deleted, like this. Save it, and everything is okay. I just close this one, run once again, allow, go to postman. If I fetch request, you see we have a 0 request here, then I say 0 here, and I go to delete request, send it. So record is deleted, message come. We can check this whether 0 ID is removed or not. So you see, starting from the ID 1, that means 0 is deleted. Once again I can delete. Here I pass one ID, send it, record deleted. I can again fetch, and you see the record ID 1 is also deleted. Once again I can try for second ID, send it, deleted. Again I can check. So you see second one is also deleted. So we have seen that the record is deleting, that means the delete service is also working. So in last three videos we have learned how we can fetch record by using get request, how we can update information by put request, how we can add more record by using post request, and in this video we have learned how we can delete the information using delete services. So that was the series for 4 video for RESTful application development using Go language. I think you have learned so many things from this 4 videos. If you have not seen these video, kindly see one by one all the 4 videos and learn how you can create RESTful applications, RESTful API, get, post, put and delete using Go language. So that's all in this video. If you really learn anything from this video, kindly do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.